Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ulfa Nurvita. My student ID number 07. I'm from Agribusiness Study Program, Faculty of Agriculture, University of Trunajaya Madura. Here I will explain about the principle of business ethics and their implementation in PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service. Would like to know how to explain? Let us view the following video.
Profile PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service. Aksa is the largest insurance and asset management company in the world that has served customers since 2817. Aksa has entered the Asian market in 1995. Meanwhile, Aksa Mandiri consists of a life insurance business, namely PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service, and a general insurance business, namely PT Aksa Mandiri General Insurance. Both of them are a combination of the company PT Bank Mandiri Persero with the Aksa Group. PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service is a conventional life insurance company now as an insurance company with a service culture. PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service is located at Jalan Prof. Dr. Satrio, Kaf Kuningan City, Jakarta 12940, Indonesia. PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service began operating since 28 October 1991, based on that number 179/30 September 1991, made before the notary Muhani Salim S.A. Aksa Mandiri line of business can be categorized follows: providing retail insurance product with a combination of insurance and investment, providing traditional insurance product, provides insurance protection for customer who have credit cards, providing corporate solution insurance product for company employees. Aksa Mandiri product consists of traditional product, unit-like product. Aksa Mandiri vision is to become a company that focus on customer as salespeople, distributor, employees, shareholders, the government, and the Indonesian people with customer centricity values. Aksa Mandiri mission is to help every customer live the calm life they dream of, protection their assets from risk by managing them optimally.
Okay, the first is principle of business ethics in PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service. Business ethics is the study of attitude or behavior of entrepreneur in running their business by applying moral value and ethics before in their business activity. Business ethics serve as guidelines and standard for employees, including management, in carrying out their daily work operation activity. Business ethics contains an explanation of who a company is ethical and acts in an effort to balance the interests of the company with in interest of stakeholder in accordance with the principle of business ethics. Okay, the principle of business ethics applied by PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service include the principle of autonomy, the principle of justice, the principle of honesty, the principle of loyalty, and the principle of moral integrity. Okay, next, their implementation in PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service. Number 1, the principle of autonomy is a attitude and ability that a businessman has in making decisions properly and precisely and being able to be accountable for these decisions. For example, every leader or manager at PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service has the right to make decision in solving a problem in the company, but these decisions must also be held accountable by the manager. Number 1, the principle of fairness is a principle of business ethics in which everyone who does business has the right to get the same treatment. For example, PT Aksa Mandiri treats employers fairly by giving a 6-month and a number of regulations that must be carried out both in providing service to customer or colleagues, where if they violate, they will be penalized regardless of their professional position in the company. Number 3, the principle of honesty is a principle of business ethics that is very supportive of the company performance in achieving certain aspects and goals. For example, all employees and managers of the PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service company always act honestly, is carrying out business activity in the company to maintain the employees, business partner, and all stakeholders. Number 4, the principle of loyalty is a very important principle in carrying out business activity as seen from the hard work culture and the company sincerity in carrying out business activity in accordance with the vision and mission the company wants to arrive at. For example, PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service always carries out the company vision and mission by facing all problems wisely and is always responsible for what has been decided. And number 5, the principle of moral integrity is a principle or concept to show consistency between us of principal value such as honesty, trustworthiness, and another. For example, PT Aksa Mandiri Service always acts prudently, is carrying out business activity to avoid mistakes that cause employees, customers, and stakeholders to be disappointed, which cause PT Aksa to lose trust. The second is the company value of PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service include number 1, available, number 2, reliable, number 3, attentive, number 4, AC. Available is the main cultural values that refer to efforts to always be ready and be proactive as well as willing to listen and be open. Reliable is value that prioritizes a commitment to being reliable, competent and responsible, and competent to always providing that be solution and result. Attentive is value that aligns strong with think behavior, speak and act commendably, are in accordance with the principle of morality that show character and characters and are able to work together and be responsive. And EC is culture value that prioritizes innovation in creative, proactive, and attitude and behavior, practical, and trying to develop new ideas by think beyond limits, easy to communication, effective and simple. The third is content of the Aksa Mandiri Company Code of Conduct. Number 1, Aksa Mandiri values. Number 2, scope and limitation including Aksa Mandiri policies. Number 3, employee responsibility and responsibility for Aksa Mandiri policies including Aksa Mandiri commitment and updating of the guidelines. Number 4, individual behavior, activity and interest including disclosing conflicts of interest, descriptive outside the company, business interests outside the company, involvement outside of the company, offering or activity gift. And number 5, protection and proper use of Aksa Mandiri extension of confidential information including protection Aksa Mandiri access, keeping confidential information, protecting personal information of employees and customers. Number 6, compliant with laws and regulation including relation with government official and political donation, dealing with investigation and lawsuit based on regulation, complies with the law, anti-money laundering, sanction, cross-border business, internal fraud. And number 7, reporting of misconduct including improper influence when conducting audience with step forward. The fourth is socialization and distribution of code of conduct. The guidelines are periodically socialized to all Aksa Mandiri employees from operational level to top management. The company ensures that all employees can access and read all the guidelines accessible through the internet web owned by Aksa Mandiri, so that the guidelines and their changes, if any, can be read easily by all company employees. The socialization of these guidelines is carried out by Aksa Mandiri through all means of communication owned by the company including but not limited to morning chats and email blasts. Apart from regular socialization, Aksa Mandiri has signed a guideline certificate which states that every employee must: number 1, declare that the has read and understood the Aksa Mandiri employee company and ethics guidelines. Number 2, declare that has behaved in accordance with the rules and politics written in the Aksa Mandiri employees ethics and company guidelines. Number 3, declare that he does not have a conflict of interest and conflict in his duties. The certificate must signed by all Aksa Mandiri employees for the board of direction and the board of commissioner to the staff and must be submitted to the compliance department annually. If there is a violation, Aksa Mandiri provides a means of complaint and implements reward and punishment mechanism for compliance or violations of the code of ethics. Next is implementation and enforcement of the code. The code of ethics applies to all personnel from the board of commissioners, directorates, employees, and other individuals related to the company business, providing an understanding of the application of the code of ethics to employees in each work unit in the responsibility of all unit leaders. Every Aksa Mandiri employees is responsible for the successful implementation of the code of ethics in their daily activity. The form of the company's responsibility is related to the willingness of Aksa Mandiri personnel to report all action of other employees who violate the code of ethics. Next, sanction for violation of the code of conduct. Aksa Mandiri provides firm and consistent sanction for violation of the code of ethics. If there is a violation committed by the boards of commissioner and the board of directors, the sanction for violation shall be agreed by the article of association of the company and the resolution of the GMEs. Meanwhile, the imposition of sanction on employees is carried out in accordance with the applicable employment regulation. Next is types of sanction. Types of sanction for each violation of the code of ethics are as follows. Number 1, disciplinary action including termination of employment. Number 2, civil of criminal liability resolution from inappropriate behavior. The finale is the conclusion. From the explanation that has been described regarding business ethics, it can be concluded that business ethics is a guideline that concretes on moral standard regarding institutional policy and business behavior with due regard to applicable law. Business ethics are important in the sustainable of a company to create a good business image and management. In running the company business, PT Aksa Mandiri Financial Service already has a code of ethics and code of conduct. The employees, manager and director must uphold. PT Aksa Mandiri code of ethics and code of conduct refer to the company values, namely available, reliable, attentive, and easy. This explanation what I can deliver more or less. I please sorry and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.